I'm Don Vappie. How y'all doing? I'm from New Orleans, and this is Dave Kelbie from London. We're on tour, and I think we'll be getting on our way pretty soon, or we might be stuck right here. We don't know.
Pretty hot outside.
It's hot, man. I didn't mean to bring the New Orleans weather to you, but I thought, you know, we got a little break and some AC, and we thought we'd sit here and send a little treat your way. And we'll see you on Friday. So I hope you like this.
Where are they going to see us then?
You're going to see us at the Taliesin on Friday.
Great place.
I love that. I talk to you guys online. Here we go. Didn't mean to scare your lady there. I scared her once. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Can we like cut that out and just put the music in? I just
carry on. Do it again. Do the music again.
Intro?
No, just the music. Yeah, music. The intro. Yeah. Music intro. The musical intro.
Here we go.
Yeah.
1, 2.